Okay, we're ready for the install of the headlights. I have one in there already. What you're going to want to do is remove these two screws that hold the bumper in to give you a little bit of leeway. Also take some silicone spray, spray it on a paper towel, and wet this edge to lubricate that a little bit. These units do not voluntarily drop into place. There's a little clip here is what replaces the bolt that was under the turn signal, and what you got is a little stud that you screw into place here in place of it, and that will snap into there. But what I found is that it sticks down too far, so on the other side what I had to do is I actually had to cut down this because it was actually distorting the bumper. This is actually bolting to the bumper. With the old headlight, it would actually hold the bumper up into this metal plate, etc. Though you have other bolts back there for the bumper. But what was happening is it was pushing down. So I cut that edge off because it was catching down in here, giving me problems. So you can try it out if you need to, just shave that down a bit. And then what I'm going to do is snap this headlight into place now. I got my zip tie down for my completed wiring harnesses in there. And the bumper has some give to it, so it's going to put up a little bit of a fight trying to get that thing snapped in. You want to peek in there with a flashlight to see if it's lined up. If it is, do your best to snap that in place. Sounds like it went. Yes. So that one actually went much easier. And then you gotta finagle it around here. Screw started. Okay, now nothing is tightened up as far as the headlights go. That'll be the last step because we're going to finagle things around and line them up. Like I mentioned before, the tabs that are on the bumper, on the new bumper, they're going to click into that slot. What I'd recommend, if you have a tool like this, body panel tool, use that for removing the old grill, and if you have to move dry fit and then remove the new grill, same thing. Just try to push that down. I put a piece of masking tape over it so I didn't scratch the body. I did put a little mark in there before using this tool, and that's why I pulled it out. So, all right, let's get the grill on. Now we have not put these bolts back in. That's because in order to snap this grill into place, there's another piece that's not going to go on willingly. We're going to need to flex this out a little bit, get our hand behind, and snap it in. Take my flashlight, have a look back there. That one's locked. And that one's locked. And we're ready. Oh, shit. Already screw that in place, except for they never gave me a hole right here on my grill. So I got to drill that out. Okay, well, it's now 7 o'clock. I started at what, 11? 10, something like that, and that did not even include the prep work I did, because what you see in this video is not in the order that I actually did it. I actually Did a lot of the wire harnessing, etc. ahead of time before today, so it's actually a fairly big job, fairly involved job, but the rewards are kind of nice. I like the outcome of it. I think it looks more modern and up to date. And I'll give you a look with the lights on.